I'm mommy's dad.
Hey, don't say that.
Oh, the camera was on when you said that.
Yeah.
What?
When are they gonna be?
Right away.
What?
Right away. Just a couple of minutes. Now. Okay. Right now. No. Pretty soon.
What?
Right away.
You're making no sense to me.
No.
Oh my God.
Now.
That's so funny.
Whoa.
Ew.
I need a belt. Badly.
You have one?
No.
Justin does.
No, will you wear it?
Probably.
You might be downstairs still.
No, he made me give it to him yesterday.
You can throw your stuff in your bag.
Hope I didn't take